How to replace the wireless LAN module. Note: only certain models in this platform series support the configuration of the following components: glass side panel, liquid cooling system, lighting control module, LED lighting bar, glass front bezel, front RGB fan, front lighting module. Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade desktop performance. Grasp the wireless LAN antenna connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers, and carefully detach the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. Remove the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN module to the motherboard, and allow it to rise to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless LAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. As you complete the replacement of a part for the desktop, you should ensure that all of the cables are correctly routed. The interior of the system should never look like this after a service event. As you route any cables that you've connected back into position, be sure to use the clips, hooks, and tape that are provided on the chassis for this purpose. This prevents the possibility of cables snagging or sagging when the desktop is moved. It also helps ensure clear sight and access to the components, should any further troubleshooting or servicing be needed. Replacement. Align the notch on the wireless LAN module with the key in the wireless LAN module slot on the motherboard. Keep the wireless LAN module at a 30-degree angle and insert it into its slot. Hold down the wireless LAN module and replace the P1 Phillips head screw to secure it to the motherboard. Note: the wireless LAN antenna connectors are labeled 1 and 2 and should be connected to the corresponding 1 and 2 labeled ports on the wireless LAN module. The front antenna is 1 and the rear antenna is 2. Reconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables by gently pushing the connectors onto their ports on the wireless LAN module.